Magandang araw mga karadyo, another episode na naman ng Usapang Radyo. Okay, so pag-usapan po natin today, paano ba pumasa sa amateur radio station license exam ang mga first timer. So yung passing rate po ng exam. Okay, so sa mga first time takers dyan, meron po tayong tatlong subjects na kailangan i-take. Part na rin po yan ng seminar, Element 2, Element 3, tsaka Element 4. Element 2 is Radio Rules and Regulation, andyan yung Radio Control Law and yung Memorandum Circular 0308-2012 or Revised Amateur Radio Regulation. At Element 3, Principles of Electricity and Electronics. So yan yung subject na medyo technical and merong kailangan memorizein na mga formula. Okay, so sa Element 4 naman is Amateur Radio Practice. So 25 items per subject, total of 75 items. Para po makapasa kayo is dapat meron kayong general average na 70%, which is out of 75 items, dapat po yung total nyo is hindi bababa ng 53. And other than 70% general average, dapat po sa lahat ng subjects na tinake nyo, wala pong below 50%. So out of 25 items sa isang subject, dapat po yung score nyo hindi bababa ng 13. So kahit papasa ka sa general average, tungtong ka talaga ng let's just say 70%, tapos yung may subject ka naman na below 13, hindi ka rin pasa nun. So bagsak rin yun. And once napasa mo 70% at no subjects below 50%, eligible ka na for Class C or technician class na license. Kapag naman hindi ka pumasa sa element 3 or 4 or sa dalawa, pero pasa mo naman yung element 2 which is radio rules and regulation, at least 70%, eligible ka naman for class D or foundation class na license. So ganun lang mga karadyo. Meron naman yung reviewer during the seminar which is required bago tayo maka-exam. Basa-basa lang, i-familiarize lang natin dahil multiple choice naman. So yung shade lang naman yung kailangan natin gawin. And yun lang, mag-review kayo ng mabuti and good luck sa inyo. 73 and mabuhay!